መልካም ልደት ተክለአብ እድሜ ጸጋና ይባላል። ሰው እንኳን ለ60ኛ ዓመት በሰላም በጤና ደረሰ። እዛ ሆኜ ካንተ ጋር ማክበር ባልችልም ከዚሁ ከአዲስ አበባ ሆኜ ጥሩ ጊዜ እንደምታሳልፍ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ሃፒ በርዝዴይ።
Hi Tico. It's your sister Saba, it's your favorite sister. Anyways, happy birthday. I እግዚአብሔር እድሜና ጤናን አብዝቶ ይስጥ. And I'm just extremely proud to call you my big brother. Then happy birthday and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tico.
Happy birthday, Tico.
All right, enjoy your day.
Hi, this is Sabi. I cannot express enough how much you mean to me, my brother. Happy birthday to the best brother in the world. I love you. I can't wait to see you. Happy birthday again. Thank you, Tico. Love you.
ተክራር ሃፒ በርዝዴይ እንኳን አደረሳችሁ። እንኳን ለዚያ በቃ
ሲፎራ ነግራው ነው ሃፒ በርዝዴይ ዛሬ በርዝዴይ እንደሚያደርጉ ሰርፕራይዝ እንደሆነ ሰምተናል።
ነግረውኝ ነው። እንኳን አደረሳችሁ።
እንኳን ለልደት አደረሰ።
እንኳን ለልጆች ልደት አደረሰ።
አሜን።
እግዚአብሔር ደግ ነው ይወድ እዚህ ደረስክ።
Thank you ሲፎራ።
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, happy birthday, Uncle Tico. I hope that you're doing well today. I hope that you're having an amazing birthday so far. I miss you, I love you, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, big brother. Happy birthday. Happy
birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tico.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tico.
Happy 60th Tech. Wishing you more years of adventures and mountain climbings and all of that. Love
Wish
you.
we were there to celebrate with you. Have a great time. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you soon, hopefully.
From California.
Love from California.
Bye.
Hi Tico, happy birthday. Love you በጣም ነው ሞድ
Happy birthday to you.
I don't have the voice Tico.
Happy birthday.
ሰቢ እየዘፈነችልን ነው እንዴ?
Happy birthday to Tico. Happy birthday.
Okay.
To you.
Love you Tico.
Love you
Bye.
guys. Bye.